Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2025 McLaren GTS. First time ever in a GT, and it's the GTS. Look at these massive carbon ceramic brakes. Huge shout out to Winging It TV. I'll include a link to his Instagram in the description below. This is an opportunity of a lifetime, and I cannot thank him enough. There's your rear cargo area. We'll walk around the car, why don't we? Oh, this thing is just so cool. What I love about McLarens is how much like a go-kart they are. I have a lot of experience on track in 570s, behind the wheel of a 720S, 12C. They're just like go-karts, each and every one of them. And you get the supercar doors. What is there not to like? Getting in takes a little bit of practice once you figure out how to do it, but there's a reason why this is leather. It's to help you slide in a little easier. Glass roof. Check out this spec, man. It's just cool. Windows, just like any other normal car. Your normal mode, you're just gonna be like this. You hit active, that activates these two knobs. This is your handling. You got comfort, sport, track. We'll be in sport, just keep everything a little safe. I am in manual, but you have comfort. So this is for powertrain, sport, track. We'll do track powertrain. Without further ado, there is no park, so what you want to do is neutral parking brake. Disable the parking brake. Do that. Let's go for a drive. You know, it's kind of ironic because I am shocked at how livable this is. This is just a normal car. Visibility is phenomenal. Well, obviously I feel like I'm driving something special. I'm in a McLaren, but I don't feel encumbered by the fact this is a supercar. It's just kind of normal until you do that. And it becomes slightly more supercar-y. What a machine. This is wild. Absolutely wild. And everybody's kind of looked at the GT and said, well, yeah, it's the daily driver McLaren, which there is no such thing until they make an SUV. But the more relaxed variant, I don't think that's the case. This is still absolutely insane power. And it just keeps pulling and pulling and pulling. It's wild. It for sure is very, very special. What I do like about McLarens too is the paddles are they're on a switch, so they can be used both ways. So let's say you have one hand here or whatever, you're in the track, you can downshift. by rocking. They're on rockers, that's what it's called. will say you draw a lot of heads. You turn a lot of heads in this thing. Thank you, radar detector. This dual clutch, man, is it good. Here's what I mean. Like, this is a back road that in a lot of cars the visibility would be a huge hindrance. I can see so well, and on track that's a huge thing too, because you can see the apex better. Oh, those brakes are phenomenal. What a machine. Man, is this thing good. I'm so impressed by this. And I'm impressed because, let's say, now I'm in full auto, just cruise around town mode. The suspension is so compliant. Yeah, and I have the fact I'm in a McLaren in the back of my mind, but it really just is so livable. And I thought the term daily driver McLaren was a bit of an oxymoron. That's not the case with this car. This car is a daily driverable McLaren. It can fit 9 boxes of lumber in it, or flooring I should say. And yet when you really turn the dial up to 11, it plays and it drives like a 720S. Brakes are phenomenal. Big carbon ceramics, obviously. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.